you break? Good. Oh, I didn't put any lipstick on. Shit. My mom's gonna kill me. Gotta break. Salud. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Amazon sports bra review. The very famous crop top that like everybody on TikTok was talking about. So this is what it looks like. This is the Nesyd one that everyone's buying off of Amazon. And I got it in this cute rose color and it cost me $21.99. But I found the exact same tank top like this one, like exact same color. It feels exactly the same. It fits the same way. But this one costs $15.99. So this one's $21.99 and this one's $15.99. And I'll pop on the screen too, like this one's the Nesyd one. Here it is. And this is the Becfort one. And here it is right here. It's like exactly the same, like same color, and it has the same stitching. It's exactly the same one. Like there's no difference. Like it's the same thing. So let's try these on and see if there's any difference when I try them on in sizing. I got a size large in both of these. In hindsight, I should have bought an extra large because I have broad shoulders, but I decided on a large apparently, so we'll try these on. So I also got two other sports bras to review. It's from the brand called Nesyd. Got it in this cute like yellow green color. So it has like a traditional scoop on the front, and then in the back is like a cute Racerback. So I really like this, and this cost $18.98 from the same brand. I got this really cute, like this one's like a V-neck, and I got it in white, and then the back is a scoop. The strap is like so much thicker, so I feel like these are going to be more supportive for like heavier chested girls and just like more comfortable in general. So yeah, let's try these on. But before I try these on, hit that subscribe button down below. Click that bell to get notified when I upload new videos. I do upload every single week. Yeah, let's get into this video. This is the TikTok famous Nesyd crop top. I got it in a size large. I paid $21.99. As you can tell, maybe I definitely need to size up to extra large. It is just a little too tight on me, but it is super supportive. It does fit on me, but I just think that a size bigger would be even more comfortable, and I will be more comfortable wearing it to the gym and out and about and stuff. But the material is super soft. It is 87% polyester and 13% spandex. It is that sporty material. It's very sleek and very cooling. This is definitely your basic cami, but in sport crop top form. And this is the cheaper version of the Nesyd. It's the exact same bra, it's just cheaper. The color's the same, the seams are the same. It's the exact same bra, and it's the same thing with this one. I need to size up to extra large. A little put too tight on me. Right now this is on sale for $14.39 and an extra 15% off on top of that. So if you like this, I highly recommend going to Amazon and picking this up. This is the Nesyd long line Racerback crop top. I got it in a size large. I paid $18.98 for it. The same thing with this bra as well. I suggest sizing up. The large does fit me. It's just too tight for me and my armpit fat kind of bulges out, but you can adjust it to hide it a little bit. Again, I highly suggest sizing up. An extra large would have fit perfect for me. I definitely like this color. The scoop is very flattering and it has the Racerback on the back as well. So I really like this color as well. It's super cute and super comfortable. This one is 90% polyester and 10% spandex. So again, it is that sporty material, super sleek and super cool. This is also from the brand Nesyd. It is a long line sports bra crop top, size large. I paid $18.98. I do recommend sizing up again as well for this one. I really like this one because it has a very subtle V-neck in the front, and it is a longer length, which I personally like. I really like this one. It is the same material as the previous one. 90% polyester, 10% spandex, classic scoop back. Super comfortable. Again, the fabric is the same. It's a sporty material, super sleek and cooling. All right, so first things first, these are exactly the same sports bra. They felt the same, they looked the same, and they felt the same on. So I definitely recommend getting the Becfort. It's cheaper. It's the exact same thing. So I paid $15.99 for this Becfort one. And the Nesyd one, that everyone else is buying, it's $21.99. So definitely save a couple bucks and get this Becfort one. I got a size large in this. I should have gotten an extra large. As you can see in the try-on portion, it's tight on me. I'm typically a size large in sports bras, but sometimes I have to do extra large depending on what kind of brand it is. And so I definitely feel like this brand kind of a little bit runs small, so I would across the board just size up in all these sports bras. These ones I really liked. These ones were $18.98 and they're from the brand called Nesyd. I really liked it. Like, I prefer these over the strappy crop top lemony ones and the Becfort ones. Yeah, so for these two, definitely get the Becfort, and I'll link everything down below as well, so they're not affiliated or anything, like, you know, I'm not, you know. I really liked this mustard yellow one. On all these sports bras too, the shelf bra, they sewed down the middle as well, which is nice. So you'll see, like, right there, right down the middle, you'll see that it's sewn down, and it's really nice because when you wash it, the padding inside, it won't like move around and stuff, like they'll stay in place, so you don't have to like mess with it a lot, you know. You can also remove the cup pads if you don't like wearing cup pads, you know. All in all, I like Nesyd sports bra ones just because the straps are thicker, and I would definitely size up in these. I got a size large, and I definitely need to size extra large for sure. And then these ones, this is the lemony one, this is the Becfort, like exactly the same one. And again, I would size up in these. I got a size large. I totally needed an extra large, but definitely get the Becfort one. You can save a couple bucks, and it's the exact same thing, like exact same thing. That is my review. Hopefully you guys liked it. I'm really glad I found that cheaper version because, like I said like 1,000 times, it's the exact same thing. So definitely get that Becfort one because it's way cheaper. Again, I will link everything down below so it's easy for you to click and then view it, add to your cart by 2 days and it's at your house. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and click that bell to get notified when I upload new videos. I do upload every week, and I will see you next week. See you guys.